I had a meeting with the seafarers, Dixon and all of them. Now, to create a separate cell is quite difficult. Now, whatever the suggestion they have given, they want to combine with NRI. So we can form NRI with Seafarers Association. We can form a cell like that.
Can it be formed or is there?
I'm trying my best. Now that they have given this proposal, I'll try my best and succeed at it.
From 2012, we have asked for this government to have a seafarers cell where the seamen can hear the grievances and their families. See, whenever they need assistance from the government in case of death, loss of job, accident, collision, or something happens, the seamen need help. And Goan Seamen Association, we can help them morally. But we as a government, they need more help to find out what happened to the crew member, why salary is not paid, what happened to him, when he will come back. So all this kind of thing. Now the minister said to create a different, one more extra cell is not possible. So what we have suggested them is to have a seafarers and NRI cell together. So they will be under one department. Instead of NRI, it should be seafarers and NRI cell, which he agreed. In 1 or 2 days, he will get back to us because this is very important. We have a crew member, Mr. Otto Lasrado, who was recently for 4 months there in South Africa without pay, no water, no food. So we helped him, and our former CM and the Defense Minister have assured that he will do that. Now, since it's almost 3 years now, nothing has been done. We asked kindly our NRI Minister Abertano, who have kindly said he will look into the matter, and to have create this seafarers and NRI cells soon. So basically, seafarers means what? It's the maritime law. Every company, every ship around the world, they have different rules and regulations. So we will have a maritime lawyer where the family can go, instead of going to the MLA, going to the person, they should go to the maritime lawyer who knows about the rules and regulation, where the ship is registered, where is the head office, who is the HR manager, who is the hiring partner, who is the agent in India, in Goa. So everything should be there, and we have already asked him for a data. See, there is no data. There we say we are 30,000, 40,000, 20,000 seamen. There is no actual data of how many seamen are there in Goa itself. So if this seafarer cell is created, the government, I have appealed to them to get all this data. When the seamen, where you are working, which company you are working, when you are leaving the country, when you are coming back. So all these things will help definitely the seamen in a larger interest.